Hey guys, it's Carrie with the Intuitive Art channel. And today I'm making this video for you, even though it's like before 7 in the morning and I'm literally in my pajamas because I just found new meaning in an old drawing. And I wanted to share it with you. So it's funny how, in your morning meditations, things will come up and then you'll get inspired to go look for something, right? So I did my meditation, I was doing some journaling, and for some reason I decided to get up and go through some old drawings. And I was thinking about this particular question, but really in a different way this morning. I was thinking about what is the path, right? What is the path for me to reach my financial milestone goal? But I was thinking it in a bigger context, right? This time I was thinking about not just the financial milestone goal, but all of the feelings, right? All of the isness that I've associated with achieving that financial milestone goal. So I was thinking about it in a much bigger way, because why do we have financial milestone goals in the first place anyways, right? We only want a certain amount of money because we believe that if we have that amount of money, it will bring us, right, the feeling that we're looking for. So today I was dwelling in that feeling, and I was drawn back to this drawing I did, I don't know how long ago. I may have already made you guys a video about this. The question that I asked was, what is the best, and I crossed out fastest. So I think initially I just wanted, like, how can I get all this money quickly? And then I thought, no, right, what is the best path? What's the best path for me? Hopefully it's quick, right, to reach my financial milestone goal this year. Right. So because I asked this year, it's showing me the best path to get there this year. And here's what I got. So the biggest thing is that swirl, right? The brown swirl in the middle. And it's telling me to live in my flow state, right? To be grounded. But the fact that that grounding keeps going around and around and around, right, is live in that groundedness, that connectionness, that flow state. So the orange, for me, that is my fully embodied self. That is joyful focus. That is alignment. And there's so much, right? When you think about the feeling of alignment, it is both calm and peaceful and exciting at the same time, right? Alignment is that joyful focus for me, with this peaceful knowing that it's all working out, right? As you focus, alignment is focusing on what feels good. So as I get grounded and focus on what feels good and living in my gifts and being in that, that fully embodied self, which what is my fully embodied self? It's living in my flow state, right? So that the brown and the orange are telling me pretty much the same thing. And then what you may not be able to see, but underneath it all, yeah, you can't really see it. Underneath it all is white. So white is being open. It is receiving divine guidance. It is being in that state of allowing. So what I get from this is be grounded, stay in alignment, focus on what feels good. Oh, I'm going to yawn. Oh, and be open to receive. Right? Be open to that divine guidance. So the answer to my question, what's the fastest path for me to reach my financial milestone goal? Like, I don't know what I was expecting. I think maybe I wanted some very specific, do this workshop type of advice. But what I got is this reminder, right? You do you. Like, the universe has got it, Carrie. We've got it. All you need to do is live in your gifts. Do what feels good. Listen to the guidance that comes to you. And so I believe this brown is just about the practices that I need, right? The things that I need to do in order to feel grounded. Right? So some of that for me is some really tangible stuff. It's making sure that I'm running every day. I have a meditation practice that really helps me with this. But that white is also reminding me to, like, stay open for what comes. for other practices. So, anyways, I just wanted to tell you that I found this drawing. I don't remember exactly the meaning that I got from it before, but I think maybe I just went a little deeper this morning. I like really got it. I got what this means, and I'm experiencing it in a fully new way as I look at the question differently, right? As I remember, as I'm tapping into the feeling of what that financial milestone means. All this is basically telling me is to live in that feeling now, right? The feeling of being grounded, connected, open, and aligned, right? That's the feeling I expect when I reach my financial milestone goal. So the answer is to be that now. It's often the answer. But I just so appreciated this drawing this morning, looking at it with new eyes. I think before I was looking at it a little bit more like, I don't know, maybe a to-do list. And so I wanted to share that with you. So I hope you find it helpful. Let me know in the comments if you've got a drawing that you need help with, if you need help understanding how to do this. In somewhere around this video, there is a link to a free intuitive art class. But yeah, let me know what's going on for you, if you're getting new clarity from old drawings, or if you need help getting clarity from a drawing. Let us know in the comments below. You can actually, depending on where you're viewing this, you may be able to post a picture of the drawing. But for sure, you're going to want to join the Intuitive Art group on Facebook, because you can post your drawings there. We can help you interpret them. Okay, thanks so much for watching me in all my morning glory, and I will see you next time.